I bet you didn't know your 4Runner's 4WD system needs regular TLC to stay in top shape. Wondering why the 4WD light is flashing? Let's get to the bottom of it. When your Toyota 4Runner's 4WD isn't working, don't panic. The most common culprit? A simple switch malfunction or a blown fuse. Start by checking the 4WD switch on your dashboard. Sometimes it's just stuck or dirty. Next, pop the hood and locate the fuse box. Look for any blown fuses labeled 4WD or transfer. Replace them if needed and see if that solves the problem. If your fuses are intact, listen for any clicking or whirring sounds when you try to engage 4WD. No sound? It could be a failed actuator, which is the small motor that shifts your 4Runner into four-wheel drive. These can wear out over time, especially if you haven't switched to 4WD in a while. Still stuck? Sometimes low transfer case fluid or worn-out wiring can also cause issues. If you're not comfortable checking these yourself, it's time to call in a pro. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your 4WD system in top shape. So the next time your 4Runner's 4WD isn't working, you'll know where to start and hopefully get back on the road or off it fast.